The best price of the year. This product is going to rival on TikTok and Instagram. Today I'm going to show you guys why you must choose PO-TRY DTF printer. First, suitable for different kinds of fabric. We can do personalized printing for t-shirt, sweater, jersey, jeans, cannon bag, and other clothing textile fabrics such as aprons and even shoes. Second, low printing cost. A t-shirt, a square meter of printing film plus printing ink, powder, electricity, etc. all add up to a printing cost of no more than $2 US. Third, simple operation. If you are a green hand in the field of digital printing, PO-TRY must be your best choice. Our DTF printer is connected to a computer. As long as the image inserted into the computer software, the process of printing, powder shaking, and drying will be all automatically, and finally, the DTF film will be also rolled up automatically. Fourth, good printing effect. Let's look at the color effect on the fabric. So bright, right? Especially it's washable, so don't worry about fading out. Fifth is about our company. We are a professional manufacturer in digital printing for over 30 years. We have more than 15 technical staff, and we have a full set of installation and learning video. Each machine will be strictly tested before shipping. Sixth, free printing sample. We provide free sample for customers. You can send us your desired pattern. We will print a free sample for you and show you the effect of the printing. 7. Place your order in Super December and you will get DTF printer with a good discount.